Hey, Ethan here. I want to show you how to make your Visual Studio Code look a little bit more similar to Roblox. So first thing you'll notice is that the Roblox Explorer is indented a bit more. It's indented 20 pixels, whereas here it's indented 8 pixels. So let's go to File, Preferences, Settings. Search workbench.tree, and we'll change that to 20 pixels. Next is I found a cool theme. In fact, the only Roblox theme. You install that, enable it, and it's the only one, but it does a pretty good job. So, right, the colors are pretty similar. It's pretty good. Next, we want to customize the icons. So look for VS Code icons. We'll install that, and we will enable it. This sometimes happens where the icons don't immediately show. So open up your command palette, Control-Shift-P, search icons, and then apply icon customization. So there we go. So these are the icons that it comes with by default, and we want to overwrite them. Now, overwriting the icons is a two-step process. One, we need to alter it in the VS Code settings, and two, we need to alter, well, we need the images. So first, let's open up app data. Go to code, user, and then open up settings. These are your personalization settings for Visual Studio Code. Yours are going to look different, but we should have these three in common because these are the ones that we just set. Okay, next, check the description for something that you want to paste into here. This could take a little bit to explain, but I want to get you up and running quick, so just paste this in here. And what this does is this associates a specific icon with a specific file type or folder type. So next we need the icons. Let's go back to that folder, user. We're going to create a new folder. VS icons dash custom dash icons. And again, check the description for some icons that I've done already, which you can just copy and paste into there. Cool. And let's save these settings. All right, good. So these are the icons that I've done already. Now I'll show you how to make your own, how to customize them yourself. So let's customize this lighting folder, and we want it to look like the classic light bulb in Studio. Now where I got these icons, go to local app data, find Roblox, and find versions, and the most recent Studio version, content, textures, and there's this handy image here called class images. So I'm going to open up that with paint.net. These are the images for all the classes in Roblox. So we want lighting. So let's take this lighting, this bulb. We got the 16 by 16. I'm going to put it in a new file, and then I'm going to save it to our folder. And we need to follow the naming scheme. So for folders, it's going to go like this. Folder underscore type underscore, and then the name of the image. So let's call it bulb. And then for folders, we also need a second image, underscore open. So this is the image for when the folder is opened. So we have both of our images. We'll save that. Go back to your settings and then find the folders array. Let's add a new entry. We named our icon bulb, and we want to overwrite any folder named lighting. And then the format is PNG. You can also do SVG, but I'm only working with PNG. So let's save that. And there you go, we have lighting. So that's a folder. Let's do a file now. So let's do models. Let's go back here. Here's our model icon. And we will save that. This time it's going to go like this. File underscore type underscore and then the name. So we'll go with model. And then add that to the files array. So the name is model. And we want to overwrite any file with a model.json. And again, it's a PNG. We'll save that. And there you go. So that's how you customize a folder and a file. If you want more icons, Roblox actually back in the day, not all the icons are theirs. They actually used this icon set. Recently, they've been making their own, but these are where the OG original icons come from. So like, what do we got? We got folder here. There's one. There's script, right? So you can get them here, famfam.com. You can download them to use your own icons. So like that's where I got this gear from, this eye, right? Last thing I want to mention is that these settings are global for all of VS Code. Now, I only program in Roblox, so that's fine for me. But if you do programming outside of Roblox, you're not going to want these as global settings. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to make these settings for this specific project. So create a new folder called .vscode. That's a special folder. And create a new file called settings.json. That's literally the same thing as these global settings. So we're just going to take these out of the global settings and put them into local settings. And notice I put in these curly braces. Cool, so now they are local settings, and if I open up another project without these settings, what is this? Right, okay, so it doesn't have the settings, then we open it back up, and we do have the settings. Right, there we go, cool. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Yeah.